Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to block a hashtag on TikTok. So first of all, launch TikTok application on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are signed in to your account. Then tap on the category of home at the bottom left corner. Once you come to your For You page, simply long tap on a video that you wish to block a hashtag from. Now you'll see the option of not interested. Tap on it. Now quickly tap on details here. Then you'll see this category that says show less of. Now let's tap on the category of hashtag. Then tap on the option of submit. Once you do so, you won't be able to see that specific hashtag and that specific hashtag related videos. So this is the only way through which you could block hashtags on TikTok. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.